Oh yeah, that's right. This is SafsLife. Oh yeah, that's right. Oh yeah, this is SafsLife.
Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video. Kids are home from school. Elisa finished quite early, so we went to Primark and we did a little bit of a shopping spree. It's not massive, but I got a few things which I thought might be interesting to show you. So let's go. I'll start with the biggest thing and the most exciting thing, because why not? I got a big throw. It's so soft. I cannot tell you how soft this throw is. It was £26. It is 150 centimeters by 200 centimeters. So this, when it is freezing and I just want to chill, this is going to be like my go-to blanket. It's so heavy. I'm going to open it up. It's like, I think it's just one-sided fur, which I don't mind because it doesn't have to be too crazy, does it? Let's have a look. Ooh, it's so soft. Look at it. Oh my god. So one side is this proper fur and then the inside is just like a soft kind of velvet, and I just am obsessed with it. Like, I saw it and it was one of those things that you have to buy, and it's so soft. This is like perfect for this weather because it's so cold these days. So I don't know whether I'm going to put that on my sofa or on my bed. We'll see. I don't know. It's pink in my room and in the living room, so don't know, we'll see. Most of the stuff that I got is for the kids, so I'm just going to randomly pick out things from here and show you. So I picked up some pajamas for Elisa. If you know Elisa, she loves unicorns, she loves purple, rainbows. She's a very girly unicorn girl, so got those for her. These were £6. I picked up a top for Isa. This was £4. It says Hero of the World, and I just think this colour suits him so much because he just is nice and bright and I love it. It's nice, like raised. But this was £4. I also picked up a hat for Isa. I just feel like he's gonna need one for this weather because it's so cold. So this one's like a greenish kind of colour. It was £2 and I just got that for him. I don't even know if this is gonna fit his head because it's small to medium and he's got quite a large head, I think, for his age. I don't know, we'll see. Also picked up some pajamas for Isa as well. These ones have the world and loads of animals. The boy loves animals, so I picked that up for him. These are not like the cozy ones. They didn't have any like nice designs of the really cozy ones for Isa, for boys. I don't know why. Like, Primark, you need to fix up your game when it comes to boys' clothes because they're so ugly. So those are the cutest pajamas I could find. And then for Elisa, we picked up this beautiful dress. How gorgeous is this dress? It's so nice, and it was only £8. I picked it up in a 6 to 7 because I feel like Primark dresses run quite small. And how beautiful is it? I just love this dress so much. Amazing. We picked up some boots for Elisa as well because they were just the cutest boots I've ever seen. And I picked up one size bigger because in the winter we like to wear fat socks because it's just nice and warm. So I picked up a size 10 and then hopefully they'll last her for longer. And they were £14. But how cute are they? Are they not like the cutest boots ever? I just love them. Amazing. And then for myself, I picked up some oval cotton pads. These are my favourite for toner, for sometimes removing makeup when I'm lazy and things like that. I also use them for my wax melts. And then I picked up a 30 pack of glow bracelets. You can make necklaces. They're just glow sticks basically, and they have connectors. They were only £1 for 30, which is really good, right? So I picked up those because basically Elisa got a glow stick yesterday from school and she snapped it in school, so by the time it was evening it was just very dull. So she was a little bit upset about that, and it didn't have a connector so she could make a bracelet out of it. So I said to her, if she's super good today, she can have one. I will buy her a pack of them. So that's what I did. I might just use those, and these are what I got as like little kind of, you know, incentives to clean their room and be good, things like that. So I picked up some of these. These are, how much were they? I don't even know how much. I think they were like 50p for chocolate coins. And then Elisa really wanted these, so these are going to be another incentive. Yes, they are Santa. I don't know, the girl is funny. So they're some treats for them. Elisa was super good in school this week, like next level good. Her teacher kept raving about how good she was. So I let her pick a little prize for herself. She picked up these little lip glosses. She says, yes, it's my first ever makeup. I've got lip gloss, woo woo. And I don't mind because, you know, this weather dries your lips out like crazy, so she needs some lip gloss. So I let her get those. And the last thing that I picked up for myself was a little pen, which is like, can you see, it's like an elephant. I just love it. It's so cute. These pens, I can write so neatly with them because they're really skinny and they're just really easy to write with. So I picked that up. I've also got the pineapple one, which is that one, and I just feel like they're so easy to write with, so I picked up this one. But yes, that is everything that I got from Primark. I also picked up this huge bag from Primark as well because it's got like the big handle and I did not want to be carrying all that stuff in my hands and then holding Elisa's hand, so I bought that one and put it around me. Anyway, that's the end of the Primark haul. So today is Saturday and I am feeling absolutely unmotivated, just rubbish today. And I just feel like I need to kind of organize and clean because my room especially is just not the best at the moment. It's a mess for one, and my bed is by the window and it's just freezing. Everything is just not how I want it to be. So I'm going to kind of organize my room. I'm going to move things around. I'm going to make it nice and cozy for the autumn and just get ready for the cold weather basically. But I also want to kind of organize my wardrobes. I don't know if I'm gonna have time to do that yet, but we'll see how it goes. I'll take you along on this journey with me. Yeah, let's go, let's do it. Let's try and make myself feel better today. I'm gonna start by cleaning my room, so putting all of the things away that need to go away, take things out that I don't need in here, that kind of thing. So let's go, let's just do it. Let's just do it. So this is a before of my room. I haven't even cleaned my bed yet, but this is what my room looks like right now. It's just upside down, a big mess, and I just don't want to do any work. So let's clean it. So I have moved all the furniture around. Oh my gosh, it was a headache. I've literally taken about 10 breaks, not gonna lie. But now it is time to sort my wardrobe out. I have already started, not gonna lie. I just forgot to film, I'm not gonna lie, okay? I'm just all over the place right now. Ignore me. Anyway, so I have my bed, which is full of clothes, which I've taken out of my wardrobe. And a lot of other stuff under the bed, around the bed, everywhere. It's just crazy right now. Wardrobe is getting full, and I'm being ruthless with my clothes. Like, if I haven't wore it in the last 6 months, I'm gonna get rid of it. Actually, no, I'm going to remember what I used to wear last winter and think, do I still love it that much? And then get rid of it if I don't. But yeah, we're just gonna do it. I've already got a pile. I've done my shoes, so I've got rid of a few different trainers and things like that, which I never ever even look at. Like, I just don't want to wear. This is the pile so far. My wardrobe, I have put all my bags, like my big bags, in here. I have my welly boots in there, and then this is what the wardrobe is looking like. But I'm just gonna crack on and just do it. Just get it done. Oh gosh, this is so much work. I'm also going to move my mirror to like that side where the door is. Like, when you walk in you can see the mirror, because over here I think I'm going to move the thing behind you across. I'll show you later. Anyway, so I'm going to do this now and then I'll come back, but I'm going to film a bit of it. I'm not going to film all of it because it's just going to be too much. Okay, so that wasn't as hard as I thought it would be, and it didn't take as long as I thought it would take, but I have got a huge pile of stuff that I need to go take to the charity bins. I'm going to try and tackle the bed now. Before I do the bed, I'm going to do the sofa. It's just a crazy, oh, there's so much stuff. I'm going to stop filming for a bit, sort it out a little bit more, and then I'll be back. So guys, this is going to be the end of the video, but before I go, I realised I didn't show you the end result of the room, what it looks like at the end. I changed my sheets, I just tidied everything up, everything is nice and tidy. Oh, well, you know, I still live here, okay? It's not always going to be completely tidy, but my cupboard is sorted out. All my extra clothes that I really did not ever wear is all gone. It just feels so much nicer. I really needed that after that stressful day that I had. Like, at the time I was literally just like in the worst kind of mood, and I just felt like it was just too much to deal with, and it always helps me to have a clear out, sort out my life a little bit, and that way, like, I feel like the motto, clean house, clean mind, is always, you know, something that I can relate to. So let me know in the comments if you are like that as well. If you are like not in a good place, does it help you to tidy up your house or rearrange your furniture, have it clear out, that kind of thing? Does it help you? Because it really does help me. Like, obviously it doesn't help 100%, which it would be lovely if it did, but still it helps a lot. But let me show you the end result. So I'm going to show you the before. If you remember, it was just absolutely disgusting. And here is what it looks like now, so let me show you around. So when you come in, excuse the slippers, this is what my room looks like. I have all my like toiletries and stuff here, all my work stuff, my laptop, my phone, my bag, everything like that there. Very dark in here today. Let me try turning the lights on. Didn't do much, but never mind. I have my cutting machine, my heat press, my work stuff. This is where the sofa is. Put my heater there. I've got my bed and different bed sheets. It's just nice and tidy. Let me just do a quick overview. So we've got the mirror here. We've got all of this stuff here. And that is it. It just feels nice and cozy in here. I feel like this is like a separate workspace to where my bed is over there. I wish I could have it in a different room, but it's not possible. But anyway, I'm gonna end the video now. Issa's here. Say hey, Issa.
Mama,
Oh, there you are.
hungry.
You're hungry. This boy, every single time he finishes school, I'm hungry, I'm hungry.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
You're hungry again. You just had a banana, you had crisps, you had a chocolate biscuit. What else did you have? A yogurt. A snack. You've had so much. And then I offer him real food like bagels and eggs and toast and stuff like that, but he just doesn't want it. Okay, so let me know how you guys deal with this kind of behavior, because he just wants snacks all the time and he doesn't want anything else. He just wants snacks. I also created a board here. I got this board for like $1.99 from Home Bargains, and that board is basically all of the work that I need to do. I put all my to-do lists on there, things like that, change it up every single day. It's so easy because I can just reach it from my desk, and it's just so easy to get things done. And I try to stick to one to-do list a day, and that's how I have been managing my life balance. I don't even know, guys. I'm gonna end this video now, but thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me change my room around, and I will see you in my next video. Assalamu alaikum. Bye.
Oh yeah, that's right. This is SafsLife.